Understanding, backed up by data, a guide to fact-based arguments. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's crucial in both academic and professional settings: backed up by data. Understanding this concept is key to strengthening your arguments and presentations. So, let's unravel what it means to have your claims backed up by data. When we say something is backed up by data, we're talking about supporting our statements or claims with evidence that comes from research, statistics, or factual information. This is what gives weight to our words, making them more than just opinions. For example, if you claim that English is the most widely spoken language in the world, citing studies or data on language usage worldwide would back up your statement. Using data to support your arguments is fundamental for several reasons. It adds credibility to your claims, persuades your audience, and demonstrates that you have done your research. In academic writing, business presentations, or even casual debates, showing that your points are backed up by data can make a significant difference in how your message is received. To effectively use data, follow these steps. 1. Identify relevant data that supports your claim. 2. Evaluate the source of your data for reliability and bias. 3. Present the data clearly, using graphs, charts, or summaries to make it understandable. 4. Explain how the data supports your argument, making the connection explicit for your audience. Let's look at a simple example. Claim: learning English can increase job opportunities. Data-backed support. A survey by a global recruitment agency found that 70% of employers value English language proficiency, with many offering higher salaries to multilingual candidates. In conclusion, having your arguments backed up by data is not just about throwing numbers around. It's about strengthening your position with well-researched, factual information. We hope this video helps you understand the importance of data in supporting your claims and encourages you to adopt this practice in your own communications. Remember, a well-supported argument is a powerful one. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.